One lonely man is taking the fight in Canada against the dark forces, the government. He's all alone. Will he succeed? You will get the answer in this video. Who is this lonely man that will reveal the truth for the Canadian people? Here we have him, the one and only.
So hey guys, we're just at the thing here. They're at the air base.
And there we have Mikey sitting outside Royal Canadian Air Force's training facility. He's outside a military school.
They're very concerned on me even just sitting on the public road with my billboard. Sorry man, you ain't gonna get rid of me. I'm like a tick. I'm like a wart. I'm like an actual real virus.
Oh dear Mikey, they have no interest in your flat earth nonsense. If you're sitting in your car outside a military facility and do nothing, after a while they will be interested in who you are and what you're doing at that location.
Right? See, they're very concerned on what I'm doing there. Security's walking outside of the air base. I'm just sitting on a public street, public highway, road, whatever you want to call it. So they're... Hey guys, guess what? Keep using your P1000s. Keep producing garbage. Why am I the only one who's noticed that the P1000 and P900 are garbage? So yeah, these guys are... You can see him walking right by the bush there. They don't like me. Oh, is that a poor problem? I wonder what's gonna happen in October, eh? I think we're going to have to alert everybody that I'm coming. The truth is coming. So they can't do anything because I'm on a public street. Isn't that tough titties for them, eh? I wish I could zoom in, but I can't. So yeah, it's... Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He's coming.
He's doing his job. He wants to know what the fool is doing out on the street, staring at the gate to the facility.
What, I can't sit on a public street now, or what? Yeah, public street, isn't it?
No, you're on the military property.
I am.
Pretty close to the intersection here.
This is not a public highway?
This is the public highway, but
Yeah. I'm just on an easement. I'm good from a certain amount of feet from the center line, actually, but...
No, you're on DND property. I'm just going to ask you to move, please.
Interesting. Yeah, well, I'm going to check that out with Saskatchewan highways.
Yeah, you can do that. You
Yeah.
can check with them.
Yeah, I will. I'll get the facts, because I know you guys don't like being the truth and smacked in front of you, but you should alert all the pilots not to fly upside down, because we're over the curve, remember?
And now the military police will be very impressed. Oh dear.
Can I just ask you to please
Yeah.
go away?
Oh, I'll go away. Anyways, right on. Have a good day.
You will, sir.
Oh, for sure. All right, who can we piss off today? I'm gonna check with Saskatchewan highways. Oh, you're the property. What if I had a flat tire? Anyways, guys, peace out.
That's how you promote Flat Earth to the Canadian Royal Air Force.
Hey guys, so I've had some time to think about this for a while. As I've mentioned before. So here's the deal.
Come on, Mikey, what are you talking about?
You have all these other countries with flat earthers, YouTubers.
And?
You have, let's use the example, the United States, because it's next to me. You have thousands and thousands of people with YouTube channels.
Okay.
And there's a few big ones out there, you know who they are.
Yes.
Who gain all the respect from other flat earthers.
And your point is?
You want to know something?
Yes, I want to.
I'm the only one in all of Canada.
Are you really?
In all of Canada, an entire country.
Yes, Canada is a country.
Actually, physically doing something about flat earth and attacking our governments.
Oh dear.
Do you see a problem here? I don't have to explain it to you.
No, I don't see the problem.
I'm driving hours a week, putting in the hours a week every day, getting out to the public.
But that's your problem if you're spending a lot of time on this nonsense.
Speaking to the public, putting myself out in public like a duck out in a field.
You chose it, nobody forced you.
I'm getting ridiculed, sworn at, abused.
I'm not surprised. You showed them that you are a fool.
Where is this happening any other place in the world?
You think sensible people takes flat earth serious in any part of the world?
I'm going to the football game on Sunday.
Oh, you're going to football.
Again, going to the football game on Sunday. The max capacity of the stadium is just over 33,000 people.
Okay, 33,000 people.
Okay, so...
Come on, Mikey.
Again.
Again what?
Where's the respect that I should be getting from some of the other bigger channels?
Not even flat earthers take you seriously, and that's quite of an achievement.
And you know what?
No, I don't.
You guys, come on.
What?
The stars are not clear
Oh dear.
every single night you go out. 3 nights in the last 16 months.
3 nights in 16 months. And?
There's only been 3.
3 of what?
That's with clear blue skies.
3 blue skies, okay?
The nights the sky is only clear is when the small dipper is visible, folks.
I doubt that statement.
Not just any clear night. No.
Only the nights you are looking.
But yet there's people out there showing all these out of... You can't even say focus. It's just not clear. Because the sky is not clear. Just because you see the stars does not mean it's clear, folks.
You haven't taken a clear picture.
And I will be duplicating and triplicating, if that's even a word, my stars. I can't wait for the next clear night.
Your stars?
And it may not be for another month or 2, but at least I understand how the sky works.
Nope.
And how the stars are not
No.
clear every single night when there's no clouds.
You don't understand.
That means nothing. Absolutely nothing. I've been recording the skies since January, and I have not had a clear night. That is with no clear. This is not clear. That does not mean a clear night. No.
Oh dear.
You're going to have to turn this on and shut this and start thinking. Please. I'm trying to help you understand things. This is not Mikey Smith from 6 years ago who knows nothing. I know a lot now, boys and girls.
No, you don't.
And guess what? I'm the one only in Canada doing the work. In all of Canada.
Doing work, you mean talking rubbish.
And yet, I get nothing.
Surprised?
Very interesting. Thank you for nothing, and we'll talk to you later, I guess.
No.
I know I'll see myself out on the street, but where will you be?
Not on the same street as you.
Maybe hiding behind that tire? Maybe hiding behind that bush? I don't know where you're gonna be, but it ain't gonna be outside. Peace out, guys. If you want the real truth, you watch my channel.
No.
No. My channel.
No.
Honest, 100% truth.
It's
I'm
not.
going to show you what other stars are going to look like pretty soon. So buckle up. No, don't buckle up. We need you to unbuckle, stand up out of your lazy boy chair, and get out and do something. All right?
Oh dear.
And guess what? Yes, debates are pathetic. Have a good one, guys.
And that was all from the lonely Canadian flat earther, Mikey. I think I have had enough of this rubbish for this time. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon. Have a nice day. See you. Bye.